Hi kids, how are you? Today we learn ABC with Rabbit Chef. Let's start. A is for apple pie. Delicious. B is for banana smoothie. It's going wild. C is for cupcakes. Flour everywhere. Haha. D is for delicious donuts. Now I have sprinkles in my fur. E is for eggs. Let's scoop that out. F is for fluffy pancakes. That one almost flew away. G is for gingerbread cookies. Crunchy and sweet. H is for honey. So sticky but so sweet. I is for ice cream. BRRR, so cold. J is for jam. Now I have a jam mustache. K is for kiwi. Haha, it's so fuzzy. L is for lemonade. So sour, but so yummy. M is for muffins. What a mess. N is for nectar. That was a big splash. O is for orange pie. Smells amazing. P is for pizza. Stretchy and cheesy. Q is for quinoa. Healthy and yummy. R is for rice. Fluffy and warm. S is for salad. Crunchy and fresh. T is for toast. Golden and crispy. U is for uvas. Sweet and juicy. V is for vegetables. So healthy. W is for watermelon. So juicy. X is for extra tasty donut. Yum. Y is for yogurt. Cool and creamy. Z is for zucchini. So tasty. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.